SMX mo. Asan out form mo? Baka hindi ko papasukin.
Uy, pwede, di ba yun na yun? Pag-claim lang.
Hi, hi po. Ate J, may hi. Kainis ka ang arte mo. Dito na kami. Hey. Jill yan. Jill, tingin ka.
Ayun lang ang problema. Hindi lang safe na safe. Hindi mo nag-uwi.
Hey guys, so ngayon nandito na kami. Finally, at the end of an era. So, kami ngayon ay mag-o-out na. Grabe. From cupping and pinning to oat taking real quick. Ang dami tao. This is Jill. Wala sina Aya and Zenya ngayon. Kasi hindi kami sabay nag-book ng ticket. But I'm here with yours only, Madam, Daddy, Mom.
Hinahanap ko yung friend eh.
Thank you so much po sa nagbigay. Kuha ka lang.
Kumuha ka na.
Dalawa kilo. Ako, ano lang ako. M&M. Thank you. Ipapasa po ba? Ay, hindi. Joke lang. Joke lang. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
May binigay sa akin.
Ay, magpalang ano.
While waiting, edit mo na ng TikTok si Jillian Marie. Ano nga? Wow. It's currently 11:55. 5 minutes na lang before 12. Kumakain na kami ng... Kinain ko na yung binigay ng kahilera namin. Tagal! 12 ang schedule namin. Pero dito na kami mga 11 pa lang. 10 pa lang. Tapos 11 nakaupo na kami.
Reyna Tenedreo.
There's sa gilid.
Sino kaya yun? Kayo. So let's give a warm applause for all of our winners. Lang, para hindi mahaba. Ready? Go!
There's Santos.
Sapa. Go!
Iris, Kansas, Cassandra, Tabu.
May doktor. Hindi ang tawag sa kanya. I state your name. O.
University of Asia, St. Louis.
Hereby solemnly swear.
Hereby solemnly swear
That I will support and defend.
that I will support and defend
The Constitution of the Philippines.
the Constitution of the Philippines,
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
the duties
And obligations.
and obligations
Incumbent.
upon
A legally authorized nurse practitioner.
a legally authorized nurse practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Filipino nurses, registered nurses, congratulations!
Finally, totoo na siya, nurse. Gising na po siya. Totoo na siya, guys. Nag-oat na kami. Ito yung
Kailan tayo makasunod yung vlog na yun?
Congratulations to the top
And then
performing
also
schools
the-
in category B. We
it's
proceed to category A
115.
with 100 or more examinees and with at least 85% passing
Fully
percentage.
fledged.
Rank 8 with 174 passers out of 175 examinees for a passing percentage of 99 with a rating of 92.20% from the Trinity University of Asia. Nurse Jade Rizan Manayal de Leon.
SLCNW Golden Light.
Rank 8 with the rate. The rest of our
Tanda!
guests, please be patient
There's
as
ano?
we will be exiting
There's
in an
Jill.
orderly fashion.
There's
So
Kat.
this has been your Master of Ceremonies, Margo Angelo Cabrera. Have a pleasant day.
Yun na yung
And to our
nakalagay
new
sa ID ng
nurses,
Facebook.
congratulations once again. Serve the patients. Happy holidays.
Upholding the oath, embracing the call to serve. Ay. Tapos na din. Ba't na naman bilis na yung program? Sa isang oras na yun, naging nurse ka. Yes.
Isang oras nga lang, no? Siguro kaya 2 hours. 1 hour waiting time.
Hiyan ako.
Gusto mo magana?
So, this is what we're going through after oath taking.
Orderly manner.
Orderly manner. Let's go, nurses. Exit time. Ay, bye-bye po. Thank you. Bye, Jill. Bye, Jill.